Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm a friend Dan, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Adobe Photoshop 18cc for free. For that we need to open Google Chrome, and here we need to search Adobe Photoshop 18cc. Now here you need to go downwards and see for the link of isoriver.com. Yeah, you can, when you go downwards, you see the PS license. It is a free trial and file size 1.6 GB for 64-bit and 1.3 GB for 32-bit. Language is in English. Developer Adobe and C. Now here you need to check whether your processor is of 64-bit or 32-bit. For that, want to do a right click on this PC and go to properties. Now system type, you can see 64-bit operating system. I have the 64-bit operating system. You may have 32-bit as well. So I'm going to download Adobe Photoshop 64-bit. Now you can see that the file is downloaded here. Now you need to open this file. Now you need to extract all of these. It will take some time to be extracted. Extraction is completed. Now you can see it is here. Now you will go to the setup and open it. Now Yeah, you will get a screen like this. Now click on yes. Now you can see that it has started installing. It will take a long time, so we need to wait for that time. Till then you can use your PC as you want. Here you can see that I have already installed Adobe Photoshop 2018cc completely. Before this you will need to sign in to Adobe Photoshop. I already have an account, so I don't need to sign in. Now you can see that Photoshop is opening. From this video you can successfully download and install Adobe Photoshop CC for free. So this was for today. Hope you all enjoyed my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye, see you again.